I'm Camilla. I make videos on countries in the world going alphabetically, and today I'm going to show you the making of zooming in on. Occasionally I get questions about which maps I use and which programs I use to make the zooming in on videos. Therefore, I will show you how it's done. Step 1, write the script. I read about the country, I look at maps and gather information, and then I write the scripts. Step 2, film. So I get dressed, I pick out clothes for the video, put on a little bit of makeup, then I make sure the background looks okay. I set up the camera, my microphone, my laptop. This is what my setup looks like. And then my phone goes here. Whoops. I turn on the camera and the microphone. It has happened that I have forgotten that, so then I had to start all over. And then I start talking. Step 3, editing. First, I gather the video files and audio files. I open Adobe Premiere Pro and add those files. I love Adobe Premiere Pro. There are so many possibilities. It was a little difficult using it at first. I had a lot to learn, but now I can use it. And there is still so much that I can't do yet. And if there's anything I want to learn, I just look it up on YouTube and find a tutorial. Everything's on there, so much to learn. And there are good instructors explaining how to do a certain thing. However, Adobe Premiere Pro is not free to use, so I prioritize some money to use that. And then I start editing. I edit the colors, the sound, remove the parts I don't want in my video, and then I add pictures and maps. Which maps is often a question I get. I use both Google Maps and Google Earth Studio. Google Earth Studio looks like this. I select the map I want, press here to save the map, then say I want to zoom out. So I zoom out and I press here again. Now I have a small video. And then I do that until I have everything I need, save it, and add it to my video. If you can't use Google Earth Studio, it might be because you have to apply for it. I think that's what I had to do when I first started using it. But that was pretty easy. Lastly, I add music. I get my music from Epidemic Sound. And to publish any content with music from Epidemic Sound, you have to pay some money, because it's not my music. Step 4, publish the video. Now the video is completed. I create a thumbnail using paint.net and I write a fitting description for my video. I publish it, and after working somewhere between 6 to 8 hours, I can just sit back and enjoy looking at the statistics. I watch all the people watching my videos. No, not quite. Sometimes I'll watch it a little bit. The number of people watching my videos is not that big anymore, which is expected as I'm not publishing that often anymore. But you watched, so that's great. I hope this was helpful. If you want to make similar videos, feel free to ask questions if anything was unclear.